Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Believe it or not, this is probably like my 5th time trying to make this video, so yeah, let's just go ahead and do the damn thing. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my brows, and the way I like to do them is I like them to look like my natural brows. I just want them to be filled in. You know, when I take selfies, I want to make sure that they show up, because if I don't do my brows, they're not going to show up on the selfies. So yeah, that's why I do my brows, and because they look cute when I do them, and I look gorgeous and glamorous and beautiful. And oh my god, my dumbass just stepped on a safety pin. Yeah, not a good start, not a good start. Oh my gosh, I forgot I was using them earlier for sewing. I was sewing something and I forgot I was using them. Freaking great. Oh my gosh, what a thing. Alright, I think I'm good. Alright, back to our normal schedule program. I'm just kidding. The best tip I can give you in order to have a nice brow is the first thing you want to do is make sure you groom them. So tweeze them, wax them, thread them, whatever your preference is, to make sure you get all the ugly little freaking hairs, then do so. So yeah, if you want to see how I do my brows, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so first you want to brush your brows, make sure they're nicely separated. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the brow powder, and I'm going to use the deeper shade. And you're going to want to outline your brow to the shape that you desire. Now you want to go ahead and fill them in with a lighter hand towards the inner part of the brow and a heavier hand towards the outer part. You're going to repeat the same step with the pencil, just like the brow powder. You're going to want to brush your hairs, and I feel like with the pencil it's a lot easier to get that precise outline. Now we're going to go ahead and fill them in with the pencil. And now both brows are done. Okay, well that's all I have for you today. So if you would like to subscribe, like, and comment, that would be awesome. See you next time.